Recruitment for District and Session Court conducted by Delhi Subordinate Services Selection Board DSSB. 1st of June 2024, Eon Digital Zone Mathura Road, A27, Mohan Cooperative Industrial Estate near Sarita Vihar Metro Station, near Metro Player number 294 to 295, New Delhi 110044. Senior Personal Assistant SPA, Personal Assistant PA, postcode 801/24. After submitting the answer sheets, they were redistributed after final submission, and even after answer writing time elapsed, applicants were roaming with answer sheet, consulting one another for more than 30 minutes. There was tussle between few candidates and invigilator, verbal conflict, absolute mismanagement and haphazard situation. Junior Judicial Assistant JJA, postcode 802/24. Entry started after gate closing time. No one was admitted before gate closing time. Answer sheets were not distributed and the exam time was on. We had to run to teachers so as to beg for answer sheets as our time was elapsing. Attendance was not taken properly. We were told to find the teacher who is taking attendance. We were assured that we will be compensated with extra time, but later our answer sheets were snatched away. During the conduct of examination, students cheated and discussed with each other. It was not even unprofessional. It was uncivilized, unorganized, haphazard, random, instinctively conducted exam by the esteemed organization Delhi Subordinate Services Selection Board DSSB. The following day, on 2nd of June 2024, the conditions improved, like timely entry, but in many labs of all the centers, cheating was observed and complacency by invigilators who were not paying any attention on the students who were cheating and discussing with each other. Without wasting any time, students reported the misconduct to the authority, but no action was taken, and the result was announced on 22nd of August 2024. The result had its own shock value because the students who followed all the protocols, did not cheat, were given low scores, leading to their disqualification for the further stages of this recruitment for district and session courts. The same was reported to the authority, and various grievance portals like PMOPG, PGMS, LG Listening Post, VCIMS. The affected students also filed RTI seeking their answer sheets and the marking scheme used for analyzing the answer sheets. RTI applications seeking answer sheets were denied by the board on 6th of September 2024 with the reply, as per the policy of the board, descriptive answer sheet cannot be disclosed. And guess what, irony देखो यहाँ पर क्या है, कोई व्यक्ति है यहाँ पर, ये किसी स्टूडेंट का रिजल्ट है, टीयर वन में 96.70 वो स्कोर करता आउट ऑफ 120. उसके बाद टीयर 2 अनाउंस होता है कि भाई टीयर 2 का एग्ज़ाम होगा, और टीयर 2 के एग्ज़ाम में सारी चीज़ें होती हैं, चीटिंग वीटिंग, मिसकंडक्ट, एंड देन फिर रिज़ल्ट अनाउंस होता है. रिज़ल्ट में पता नहीं किस तरीके से क्या चेकिंग हुई, गलत कुछ चढ़ा दिया है, क्या हो गया. आंसर शीट प्रोवाइड नहीं कर रहे हैं बोर्ड, क्योंकि पॉलिसी नहीं है. RTI लगा रहे हैं, वो कह रहे हैं कि एज़ पर पॉलिसी इट कांट बी डिस्क्लोज्ड. अच्छा, अब ये बंदा बेचारा टीयर 2 में 33.57 स्कोर करता है आउट ऑफ 100. तो मतलब ये कोई भांग की गोली खा के गया था, और इससे पहले तो पता नहीं इसने क्या ही खाया था कि इसके 96 मार्क्स आ गए. ये बात कोई पचाई जा रही है. मेरे तो फिर भी टीयर 2 में 50.20 थे, और इसके साथ देखो बेचारे को बस 30 नंबर मिले हैं. 99 मेरे टीयर 1 में थे और टीयर 2 में मुझे 50.80, और मैं उसमें रो रहा हूँ, और इसका बेचारे का क्या हाल होगा सोचो.
ये देखिए भाई DSSB JJA का एग्ज़ाम सरिता विहार वाली लैब, बिना चेकिंग के एंट्री. ये देखो बिना चेकिंग के एंट्री. टाइम हो रहा है भाई 11:54. ये देखो बिना चेकिंग के एंट्री. बिना चेकिंग के धक्का मुक्की द एंट्री, कोई चेकिंग नहीं हो रही. देखो सारे भाई अपने इंजॉयमेंट में अंदर जान लग रहे हैं. बढ़िया पेपर होगा सबका. डर जाओ एक ये देखो DSSB का पेपर है. कोई चेकिंग नहीं यहाँ पे।